be on board at this time. This was a delayed 2:59 flight. Doors will be closing in 4 minutes and we're not reopening. Final call.
We are here at DCA. We're waiting for like 30 minutes until we board. Going to LA. So yeah, we're here at the airport. Welcome to Glen Channel. He's in the Philippines now. We're in the restaurant. She died. It's mine. Hello. Big, look. Oh my god. Mariel. Good morning, guys. Today is March 2nd. As you can see, I'm in a hotel room. Yeah, I forgot to vlog yesterday because I am so busy. Plus, I just want to spend time with my family and I'm tired. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do like a hotel tour. Let's see. So as you walk in the room, it's all dirty. We have bathroom right here. There's a sink. There's a shower. And there's a fridge and there's me. Just kidding. So yeah, I think they have the mini bar and they have safety, and they also have this. How do you do this? Oh, here. So like a closet or something. You can hang clothes over there and some free slippers. And then here we have 2 single beds. Yes, we have 2 single beds because they don't have 1 queen size bed, so we just have 2 single beds. That's really about it. And we have hold on. We have TV over there. Just my bag, my camera. Our luggage is still not settled. And when you come here, our view is a tree. I don't know what kind of tree, but it's a tree. And then you can see like this some buildings over there, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And we're gonna go see my family. I'm gonna go home. Well, our hotel is near in the house, so okay guys, so I just straightened up my hair, and this is my outfit for the day. Skirt and some, what do you call this? Whatever. But yep. And then now I'm gonna change my slippers. But hey guys, this is our view right now. As you can see. Hi, say hi. Hi! Babe, are you okay? Alright, so call critical. Raven! Say hi, Raven.
Yung mga naong, ang dami yung mga naong sa isun. Aba dito, dito.
Isakit ko, yun sa akong reaction. Masad. Masad, ay.
Kuya, malating bumuyi. O paa, di may iko. Wait, sa paong takaroon. Doon, ikatawa sa iyo, tayo ko sige pidiwan.
Aw, kinsa? Aw.
Clar.
Hey guys, we're here at the Bella Vista Hotel with my sister and my
Bitch friend. Oh.
beach my spaghetti pababa with a little bit of creamy sauce, you know? Yeah, sauce.
Ikon ha,
Spaghetti. Who? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti with red curd.
So anyway, we're here chilling,
You know, chillin'.
you know, chilling.
Chillin' with the royal.
Are you a royalist, sis?
Nalagi, sila lagi ni ex-battalion.
Tagalapu-lapu.
Tagalapu-lapu lagi.
Luoy ati.
Kalimutan.
Ay,
Ay, ganahan
Jimon.
ko sa lyrics. Ay, Kalimutan.
My sister.
XP. XB Jensen. Oh. XB battalion.
XB Jensen ko na. Yeah. Asa man si JJ? Hala, tiyo suot! Okay guys, we're doing a Chubby Bunny Challenge. I'm here with the spaghetti. A little bit of cream. I'm here with Mariela. Hello. My sisters from another mothers and fathers. Okay, please. Okay, so we're gonna do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. We have 2 marshmallows. Well, they're the same. Anyway. Okay, so saan ganini kung dili kung
The mechanic of the game.
the mechanic.
So, we're gonna open this one first.
So okay, 1 each. Nya mo yung Chubby Bunny.
Yes, one
Nagain
each.
na
Kung
ba
di
siya?
ka di ka
Oh.
kasulti.
English. English me.
Open ang counter. No, later na.
Wait bill later.
So, one chubby bunny at a time.
So,
And
kuan,
then
so if ang mapildi, ano sa man ang mapildi?
loss.
Sige. Okay, so if
Okay yan.
mapildi, later. You're just take the L.
Take the big L. Okay,
ako
get
na.
one.
Sige, haldo.
Make sure don't...
Sige.
Ay. Oy, don't click it.
Oh, mahilis mo din siya. Chubby bunny.
Okay, Mariela, go. Go.
Oh, sa mga kaping na.
I have lots of...
Ano, ulit, mapildi ka mo. Wala, mapildi na tada ako. Why kan anay ha?
No.
Huwag ka makaday, paghuwan. Ayan na, bebe.
Chubby bunny.
Okay, ikaw na.
Ayaw ka na. Ah.
Ay, kan ami.
Don't show it.
Ay na nga, chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Okay.
Later na, Raven.
Chubby bunny.
Oy, we need to check the... Mika. Walay ka nanay, Mika. Ma-out din ka, Mika.
Chubby bunny. Doon, pangalin ako ba? Oh, may kaya. Chubby bunny. Okay, ate. Pakita, sis. Chubby bunny.
My reputation is lost. Chubby bunny.
Ay, pakatawa ba?
Tikasan, Mika.
Hoy, iyan ang suksok dyan, sis. Ibot ito. Balik. Balik pa. No, wala tayo challenge. Kaon.
Yeah, go.
Pagtalo na yung third.
Third, chubby bunny.
Okay.
Ayun,
Chubby bunny.
Hindi siya may respect. Wala pa nila sa
Wani hinas ako ame kasi sipsip make.
Tikasan. Ay, palalay dito ha. You're just making that as an alibi.
Siya, sige ka to.
Tukan na. No.
Ay, okay.
Stop. Later, palitan nyo. Mika, asa naman mo ha? Tikasan Mika.
Chubby, okay.
Game over. Game
Ako
over.
na sige. Bisa mo to.
Chubby bunny.
Ikaw na ka? Okay.
Chubby bunny.
Fifth one. Wala na ako. Sorry,
Hold on.
No, well, wait, mag-uwat. Hindi.
After me. Chubby bunny.
Na 100 ang makadaog.
Wait, it's only $100? $100?
Huh?
Mika, tikasan kayo.
Hey, sok-sok sis!
Oh, you need to pronounce it. Oy, clearly.
Ayun ako makatawag. Wala na. It's Miko. Kamay,
Kami na lang. Mika, kahon.
Ay,
So wet. So, game
oh, game over.
Yay! Sige lang.
Rabin, no?
Yuck.
Okay, price is later. Just kidding. It's
It's not a joke.
Abi na ko kuan da siya kanang ihatag din nila. Abi na ko. Okay guys, so my sister won marshmallow.
Uy!
You won a marshmallow.
100 pesos sa marshmallow. Kambi akong beer pin.
Taran! 20 pesos! 20 pesos! pesos is the new 100.
Wait, no.
No, orange is the new blue. Oh, 100. $3. She won $3. Hindi ko na pa-exchange.
Nagkabuyot si exchange. And nag-exchange mo $1. It's not 50 pesos, it's 40.
Yeah, tulong mo na ka po.
Even though it's still $1. It needs to be $5.
Wala nang gulay mo ng last na kagulo. Itong taga.
Look who's chilling. Baby. Magpataan ka, baby. Raven. Magpataan ka. Magpataan ka.